design dreams come true. Embrace the 2024's modern kitchen trends and discover the ultimate modern kitchen styles for 2024. Just keep watching. Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to your channel HD Interiors. As we approach the heart of 2024, the world of interior design continues to evolve, with the kitchen taking center stage as a hub of innovation and style. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply love spending time in a welcoming space, the modern kitchen design trends for 2024 offer an exciting glimpse into the future of home aesthetics. From sustainable solutions to tech-savvy integrations, let's explore the top 13 kitchen design trends that are reshaping the culinary landscape. So, let's get started. Sustainable materials and eco-friendly elements. Number 1 on our list is the eco-conscious kitchen. In 2024, sustainable materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo, and recycled glass are taking center stage. Combine these with energy-efficient appliances to create a space that's not only stunning but also kind to the environment. Say hello to the future with trend number 2, smart technology integration. Imagine a kitchen that responds to your voice commands, tracks your groceries, and even offers recipe suggestions based on your pantry. It's all about making your life easier and more connected. If you're a fan of the less is more philosophy, trend number 3 is perfect for you. The minimalistic and clean aesthetic is all about sleek lines, neutral tones, and clutter-free spaces. It's a timeless trend that exudes sophistication. In 2024, less is more when it comes to kitchen design. The trend of minimalism has evolved into a sophisticated blend of clean lines, neutral tones, and functional elegance. Sleek cabinetry, integrated appliances, and hidden storage solutions create a clutter-free environment that exudes calm and simplicity. This trend is perfect for those who value both aesthetics and efficiency in their kitchen space. Ready to add a pop of personality to your kitchen? Trend number 4 encourages you to embrace bold color accents. Whether it's a striking blue island or a vibrant red backsplash, these pops of color can transform your kitchen into a vibrant masterpiece. Contrast is the name of the game in 2024, as bold design choices create striking visual impact. Think dark cabinets against light countertops, or matte finishes contrasting with glossy accents. These high-contrast elements create a sense of drama and sophistication, elevating the kitchen into a true work of art. Get ready to mix things up with trend number 5, mixed materials and textures. Combining contrasting elements like metal and wood, concrete and marble adds depth and visual interest to your kitchen, creating a harmonious balance between modern and rustic. Say goodbye to closed cabinets and hello to trend number 6, open shelving displays. Display your favorite dishes, cookbooks, and plants on open shelves for a chic and accessible look that's both functional and visually appealing. Open shelving continues to be a popular choice in 2024, offering a modern take on storage solutions. Displaying stylish cookware, ceramics, and colorful ingredients not only adds character but also encourages organization and creativity in the kitchen. This trend promotes an open, airy feel, making the kitchen an inviting space for both cooking and entertaining. Incorporate the beauty of nature indoors with trend number 7, biophilic design. Large windows, indoor plants, and natural materials create a calming atmosphere that enhances your cooking experience and promotes well-being. Bringing the outdoors in is a trend that's gaining momentum in 2024. Biophilic design incorporates natural elements such as wood, stone, and plant life into the kitchen space. Think countertops resembling natural rock formations, hanging herb gardens, and large windows that provide an unobstructed view of nature. This trend not only creates a serene ambience, but also enhances the overall well-being of the occupants. Sleekness meets functionality with trend number 8, hidden appliances and concealed storage. Modern kitchens are embracing innovative designs that seamlessly integrate appliances behind cabinet doors, keeping your cooking space looking effortlessly tidy. Statement lighting fixtures. Elevate your kitchen's ambience with trend number 9, statement lighting fixtures. Elaborate pendant lights above kitchen islands and dining areas serve as functional art pieces that enhance the overall aesthetic. Trend number 10 maximizes space with multifunctional layouts. Kitchen islands that double as dining tables and workspaces, along with built-in seating, create versatile spaces that adapt to your lifestyle. Stepping into the avant-garde of kitchen design, trend number 11 introduces fluid and curved shapes. Say goodbye to sharp edges and hello to countertops, islands, and even seating areas with soft, organic curves. These designs not only look visually stunning but also create a sense of movement and harmony in your cooking space. Vintage and retro revival. Nostalgia takes the stage with trend number 12, vintage and retro revival. Take a trip back in time with kitchen designs that embrace the charm of yesteryears. Think checkerboard floors, pastel color schemes, and retro-inspired appliances that add a touch of whimsy to your modern cooking oasis. Last but not least, elevate your kitchen's visual appeal with trend number 13, texture-rich backsplashes. Instead of the standard flat tiles, opt for intricate patterns, textured stone, and three-dimensional designs that not only protect your walls, but also become captivating focal points in your cooking haven. The kitchen, once a utilitarian space, has evolved into a canvas for artistic expression and functional innovation. The modern kitchen design trends of 2024 cater to a diverse range of preferences, from the eco-conscious to the tech-savvy, from the minimalist to the color enthusiast. As we embrace these trends, our kitchens become not only spaces for culinary creativity but also showcases of our personal style and values. Whether you're planning a renovation or simply seeking inspiration, these top 13 kitchen design trends for 2024 are sure to spark your imagination and set you on a path to creating a kitchen that is both contemporary and timeless. Which trend resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to HD Interiors, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a design update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.